G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is just a quick cartridge replacement for the single stage Doulton Ultracarb Benchtop water filter. Okay, so here's our new cartridge, here's our Benchtop water filter that's been sitting on the bench for 12 months, and we just want to replace the cartridge on the inside. Alright, so this one's just come in the mail here, and I'll pretty much just show you what I would do if this came to us at home. And so we're going to open him up and have a look. So the first thing I want to do is I just want to have a look at this Doulton cartridge and make sure that the courier hasn't broken it in transport, okay? So it's no good us putting a cracked or a broken cartridge inside our filter. So I'm just going to pull it out. Now I don't want to touch the ceramic part, but I want to inspect it. So I'm casting my eyes up and down the cartridge as I slowly spin it in my hands, and I'm just looking to see if it's got any cracks. They're normally quite visual if it's cracked, and you will see it, okay? Just have a look at the end, make sure you got two good washers on each end, which we have, and it's all good to go, all right? So cartridge has made the distance, no need to notify My Water Filter that it's damaged or anything, we're all good to go, all right? So here's our filter here, and what we're gonna do, I normally will get a cloth or half a towel, and we'll just get it and lay it out on the bench top, just so we got something nice and soft to work off, okay? Then we've also got our housing tool, and we lay him down, and then we'll insert the housing tool over the top. You can note that it does have open and close on the housing tool, but it is important which way you put the housing tool onto the housing, or you'll be turning it the wrong way. They're a normal Australian thread, turn right to make it go tight. In this case we want to undo it, so looking down from the top we're going anti-clockwise and turning to the left, okay? Okay, so once we've just broken the seal around the bottom here, it's very easy then to just turn them and undo them by hand, okay? So we'll just screw this one off now. As we open him up, just being a bit careful that we're not going to knock it over or drop it or anything. Going out the way. And here's the new Doulton here. Now you'll notice with the Doultons there's only a hole on one end, alright? There's no hole on the other end, okay? So with a water filter, the water penetrates through the cartridge to the centre core, and then the water comes out of the hole and flows on for you to drink. So sometimes these cartridges may say this way up. Now if you put the hole this way up in a bench top, the water won't come out. So this hole must go into the head cap, okay? So on a bench top water filter, just make sure that the hole is down, okay? So he's down, don't knock it over, treat it like an egg, the cartridge will break. Gently on with the housing again. Screw him up as tight as you can by hand. It should screw all the way up by hand. Sometimes you wouldn't even need to use the tool, okay? So we'll just get him there, tighten him up by hand, beautiful. Put our tool back on. Just nip him up a little bit. Just make sure it's tight. We'll sit him up on here, and we're done. We're good to go, okay? Being a single stage, there's only the one cartridge, so very easy. Now we're simply going to turn on the faucet, and we're just going to let that flow constantly for at least 5 minutes, okay? We can put a bucket of water underneath it, we can put the water on the garden, whatever we might like to do, the pot plants, etc., to save the water. But these Doulton cartridges are no different than any other cartridge. Every cartridge you buy from anywhere needs to have a flush, okay? In this case, at least 5 minutes with a Doulton. There's carbon on the inside of these Doulton cartridges, so when you turn it on for the very first time, expect a little bit of carbon to flow out of this spout here. It'll only go for 5 or 10 seconds and it'll stop, clear, and it'll never come back again. But that initial blast of water, I would expect some black carbon to come out, okay? So that's what we'll do. Give it a flush for 5 minutes, and then you're pretty well ready and good to go. Overnight, the cartridge is going to activate and swell, and then the next morning, turn it on, give it a quick 3-minute flush, and you're good to go for a year. Away you go, okay? So Doultons, very good, very reliable, great for rainwater. Enjoy. Thank you.